Tommy Romano is back, and he's doing what he does best, teaching easy quilts that pack a punch.
You'll fall in love with his jelly bean quilt using jelly rolls.
Or see how to play Sudoku with your quilt design and end up with amazing results.
It's a Japanese puzzle, it has its origins there. And this, to me, seemed like it would be more something that would fit with that kind of culture, that kind of style, that kind of feel, rather than something that would be more a traditional quilt pattern.
Plus, while we're deep in the heart of Texas, we had to take you to the Texas Quilt Museum. You're going to love this adventure.
The Texas Quilt Museum owes Karey Bresenhan and Nancy O'Brien Puentes all of the respect and credit we could possibly give, because without their vision and their acquisition of the buildings and then the planning of a wonderful garden, none of that would be here.
From the Lone Star State, with love, we're bringing you the best.
On the next Quilt Show, join us.